Hi everyone. In today's video, we will learn how to create YouTube playlist thumbnails. So I already created a video around how to create a playlist, but very important to do the basics of the playlist well, right? One is adding the videos, but second is how your playlists appear and have you optimized them. Also, do check out the YouTube Launch Playbook, which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step by step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. So you can
The
see over
link
here
is
I
in the
have
video
created
description.
thumbnails for my YouTube playlists as well. And this basically is a very easy way to do it. So for that, we use Canva. Again, you can use a free version and just type YouTube playlist thumbnail. Now, once you type this, click on templates over here. Now you can see there are n number of free templates which you can just click and edit, right? And you can, so if your channel is based on education, just type education in front and you will get suggested ones as per Canva for your playlist thumbnail. So this is the easiest way. So once you like anything, just click on it, customize this template, and now you can just update the text. If you want to change the image, you can do that as well. It's very easy. Add your logo, and this is what I have done for my channel. So if you see, I will just show my projects, and you can see this is the one where I have created just a template, and I just keep on replicating it and updating it for my playlist. So this is the easiest way to update your playlist thumbnails. And once you are done this, I will, in the next video I will show you how to update or change the playlist thumbnail on YouTube channel. If you like this video, do like and subscribe to our channel YouTube with Saave.